If I had to rebuild my wardrobe from scratch, these are the exact pieces I would buy first. Not trendy items, not statement pieces, but the pieces that instantly make outfits look more elegant, more refined, and honestly much more expensive. Because truly elevated style is usually built on foundations. So today I'm sharing the 10 pieces I think every elegant wardrobe should have. Number one is the perfect blazer. A structured blazer instantly elevates almost anything. You can wear it with denim, linen pants, satin skirts, dresses, and suddenly the outfit looks intentional. For me, the key is structure, a quality fabric, and slightly relaxed tailoring. I actually have three favorite blazers that I keep wearing on repeat. The first one is the Christie blazer from Cezanne, which I have in a houndstooth pattern that unfortunately is sold out. Let's see whether it comes back. The second one is my black mango blazer with a high wool percentage that always makes me look very put together. And therefore, I also added a new one to my collection this summer, a white linen blazer from Mango that I also love wearing a lot now in summer. And the third one is a timeless piece from Lily Silk. It's a navy blue one with gold buttons that for me is just everything quiet luxury is about. This one is so elegant and it really elevates any outfit. It's beautifully made, it's very expensive. The lining is 100% silk, so it feels incredibly comfy on the skin and it just looks very, very good. Second on my list are linen pants. Nothing looks more effortlessly elegant in summer than beautiful linen pants, especially in white, cream, beige, chocolate brown, or navy. They move beautifully and instantly create that relaxed luxury aesthetic. Go for a wide leg to create that effortless flow. If you are looking for a good pair of linen pants, I would recommend And Other Stories or Massimo Dutti. Especially Massimo Dutti has a high variation of beautiful linen pants this season. My favorite linen pants come from And Other Stories. And as I said, the most important is the cut. So you want your linen pants to be really wide cut so that you create this elegant, effortless flow that they can give to your outfit. Third on my list is a crisp cotton shirt. This is one of the most versatile pieces in an elegant wardrobe. A good cotton shirt works with denim, with skirts, tailoring, shorts, or layered over dresses. And it always adds polish. It's the most basic and the most versatile piece you can own. Quality-wise, I can recommend Uniqlo, where you certainly get an amazing quality for a very affordable price, or the Cezanne cotton shirts, of course, like the Max, for example. The Max shirt in white or in light blue is timeless and a staple that will be reliable for many years. The fourth piece on my list are elegant flat shoes. Elegant women rarely wear shoes that overpower the outfit. I personally think refined sandals, slingbags, loafers, or ballet flats often look much more luxurious than overly trendy shoes. Quality is key here. Go for a high-quality, genuine leather. The best colors for shoes are nudes that match your skin tone. These elongate your legs and they look more elegant. The fifth piece on my list is a silk or satin skirt. This one is one of my personal favorite wardrobe pieces because it creates movement and softness instantly. And you can style it casually or elegantly. I have been loving my Lily silk skirts for many years. If you want to have something very classy, then I would recommend a midi length in a rather fitted cut, and I would go for tones like cream or navy blue, maybe black, and this can be paired with basically everything that you own. I have one in a cream color from Lily Silk that I keep wearing every spring and summer since many years. And I have a more elegant, dramatic one, which is certainly not a basic, which is maybe one step further. But this one is one of my summer favorites, and it is a maxi skirt, a maxi silk skirt from Lily Silk that really elevates any outfit. This can be worn in a casual setting. This can also be dressed up, depending on whether you wear it with flats or with heels. And it's just a beautiful piece. Number 6 is the refined knitwear. Think thin, elegant knitwear that always makes outfits look more sophisticated, especially when it comes in merino wool, cashmere, or fine cotton knits. These keep you warm. You can throw them over your shoulders in case you might need a warmer layer at some point that day. And wool always makes an outfit look more refined. Again, I would start with neutrals like cream white, beige, navy, or chocolate. But refined knitwear is also a great way to add some color to your outfit. So you can really play around with the colors here. And if in doubt, but you still want to add color, simply go for red. A red sweater always works. And it's actually been a huge trend during the last, I would say, 1 or 2 years. You could see the red sweater everywhere because it's such a no-brainer. You add a pop of color. Red is a color that basically suits every woman. You just have to find out which kind of red is the best for you. And the rest of your outfit can be super simple, super neutral, but the red always gives it a focal point. The best quality for the price can again be found at Uniqlo, and of course, Cezanne is very famous for its knitwear. Number 7 is a structured bag. You absolutely do not need dozens of bags, but one elegant structured bag can elevate your entire wardrobe. My favorite is the Milo from Cezanne. I personally bought the taupe one in January 2025. Unfortunately, this is out of stock, but they have beautiful other colors. At the moment, they have a suede bag in brown, which is very elegant. And of course, you can always go for a classic Milo in black. This one is very spacious. It has a classic cut and really it elevates any outfit. And the quality is impeccable. I've been wearing this one on repeat since I have it and you couldn't tell. It really doesn't show any signs. Number 8 on my list is the gold jewelry. And here I'm thinking minimal gold jewelry that adds warmth and polish instantly, especially when it's fine golden studs, bangles, delicate necklaces, or even statement earrings. When it comes to minimal gold jewelry, I would always pick genuine gold. This can be worn all the time, you can shower with it, you can take it to the beach, and simply make it part of your signature look. You wear it once and you forget it. Number 9 is the dark denim, because dark denim almost always looks more refined than heavily distressed denim or light wash denim, especially when you pair it with blazers, shirts, or elegant shoes. I have two favorite pairs actually. The one is from Zara and the other one is from Cezanne. Both are simple dark wash denim with a straight leg cut. And especially at Cezanne, you find a huge variety and the quality is impeccable. Go for a shorter one to be able to wear it with flats and go for a longer one for your boot and heel outfits. Number 10 on my list is a beautiful coat. Honestly, your coat often is the outfit. A beautiful coat instantly makes everything underneath look more elevated. That's why I always recommend investing more in outerwear. It really pays off to go for 100% wool or at least as much wool as you can afford. A coat can be worn for many years, so think of the cost per wear when you buy one. The higher the wool percentage, the warmer it'll keep you and the better it will feel. Also for wool coats, I can recommend Cezanne that has great cuts and classic colors. And my personal favorite wool coats for last year were from Lily. And all of them were 100% wool and they come at an amazing price point. I kept wearing them on repeat and they really kept their structure, they kept their look, you couldn't tell. And interestingly, elegant wardrobes are usually not about owning hundreds of pieces. They're about owning the right pieces. Pieces that work together effortlessly. That's exactly the philosophy behind my elegant wardrobe system. I'll link it below if you're interested. And I would love to know, which of these pieces do you wear the most? Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay stylish.